These Forklift Lifepo4 batteries are EVE brand, grade A brand new cells, modern LF280K. And this battery's product date is the freshest. You can see it's produced on July. And the maximum capacity around 310 capacity. And all the cells are wired the M6 stars with double hose camera. All the cells with the original QR code. I can tear off this blank instruction form and to show you the QR code. Tear off the blank is nothing fail. You can see here are original QR codes without any reprinted and not letter B on the QR code. I'm ensure that the QR code is not reprinted. This is also our company's promise for the sales. And each sales you can provide the test reports from EVE. Here are the QR number, and here are the maximum capacity, and here are the sales voltages, and here are the internal resistance, and here are the battery thickness. Okay, let me show you the battery's voltage. .292, 3.291, 3.291, 3.292, 3.291. 3.291, and all the cells are flat without any snowing and no body cells. I will put 4 cells together and to show. Look, I have put 6 cells and put them together. You can't see any gaps between them. No gaps. Okay, let me show the packaging. All the batteries, all the 4 cells in each box, and they are completely jobbing with the foil, and we are not damaged with the delivery. We are the feedback of the DHL. And these books, these outdoor books use UM5-layer corrosion box. Show you one and each box have 4 pieces export board and 4 bus bar and 8 screens, M6 screens. I will look in the unfriendly deliver about the career and the directly job the box. And I have sent the deliver 2 times, and you can see the box is well and not damaged. If you have ordered the battery and the box are damaged, we can give you free batteries. And this battery we will send to USA and Europe warehouse. Welcome to order it. 停吧。